In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to get 1000 TikTok followers extremely quick. Now, before I dive right into the video, I just want to mention that I already have a video here that talks all about how to get a lot of views on TikTok. You can check it out, the link is in the description. You clicked on this video because you wanna know how to get 1000 TikTok followers in minutes. So if that's something you are interested in, then keep on watching. So what you wanna do, guys, to get 1000 TikTok followers, you wanna click on TikTok and then click on discover. After you click on discover, as you can see here, you wanna click on discover. After that, you wanna click on search. So pretend that you are going to search for someone, for example, Charli D'Amelio or something like that. All you have to do, guys, is just search for this name. I am going to add it in the screen. You will see it right now. So what you wanna do, guys, you just wanna click it, which is Mohammed Maftool. Like most people pronounce it this way. So what you want to do, guys, you just want to click on this profile, and then you don't have to follow me. This is, by the way, one of my accounts. All you have to do, guys, is just click on following. So you will have to follow the people that I followed. So you will have to click on following. After you click on following, you will see this these popular TikTokers. These are the biggest TikTokers in the world, and this is exactly why you get followers. Because, by the way, guys, this trick works because people love, like fans love when you follow their creators. That's the reason why they follow you again. So what you want to do, guys, you just want to click follow, 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 follow. And then what you want to do, you want to wait 15 seconds. So after you wait 15 seconds, you want to unfollow them again. That's exactly how this trick works. So after you wait 15 seconds, you want to unfollow them again. So you have to do this 5 times. 5 times to get a lot of followers. And then what you want to do, guys, again, you want to wait 15 seconds and you want to follow them again. I'm going to speed up this video so that this video is very short, so that I can show you how to get millions of views very soon. And then you want to wait again 15 seconds, and then you want to follow them again. So, guys, after now we have done it 5 times. As you can see here, you have to unfollow all these people, follow them again, unfollow them again, follow them again 5 times to get a lot of followers. Now let's see if this trick works or not. As you can see here, just now, people are following, people are still following, and this trick works. But if you guys want to get millions of views on your TikToks, all you have to do is just click on the video on this screen right now, and you will get millions of views on your TikToks. This is the best way to get views, organic views and organic followers. So you don't have to unfollow anyone. This video is going to help you. Click on it right now and you will learn exactly how to get millions of views. If this worked, please drop a like.